Hello guys, I'm Bhargav and back again with my another video. But still, if you have not subscribed to my channel, fastly subscribe to my channel and give the thumbs ups. And today we are going to discuss about the coronary vessels. Mainly the function of coronary vessels to circulate the blood among the myocardium, muscles of the heart, cardiac muscles. So the coronary vessels are firstly two types, coronary artery and the coronary veins. Coronary artery for the supply of the oxygenated blood to the fibers, and coronary vein to take up the deoxygenated blood, the used blood from the muscle fibers. So first of all, the coronary artery. Coronary artery is divided into two parts. Left coronary artery supplying the blood to the left part of the heart, the left atrium and the left ventricle, and the right coronary artery supplying the blood to the right atrium and the right ventricles. Furtherly, the left coronary artery is divided into two branches. Circumflex artery supplying the upper part, that is the left atrium part, and the lateral part of the left ventricles, which also gives the sub-branches for the obtuse marginal arteries supplying the upper posterior parts. And next is the anterior descending artery, or also called the artery of the interventricular, that is the of the septums. So it supplies the blood with the base of the ventricles and the septum, interventricular septum. It gives the sub-branches for the diagonal artery in the posterior of the left ventricles. The next are the right coronary arteries. They are subdivided into two parts. The marginal artery supplying the blood to the anterior part of the right atrium and the surface of the ventricles. And next are the posterior descending arteries providing the base of the right ventricles and somewhat the septum of the interventricular septum. So these were the coronary arteries. So now let's discuss about the coronary veins. Coronary veins are basically of the four types. The greater cardiac vein, which is also the functioning as the left marginal vein, that is supplying, means taking up the deoxygenated blood from the left upper atriums, mainly the upper atriums, left atriums. And next are the small cardiac veins, which are as the functioning right coronary veins, means from the posterior side they are taking out the blood from the major part is the right part of the heart, that is atria, right atria and the right ventricles. Next are the anterior cardiac vein. Anterior cardiac vein are the right marginal veins, means they majorly take up the blood from the right atriums, not basically from the right ventricles but major from the right marginal. And the main difference among the anterior cardiac vein is it doesn't clean up the blood into the coronary sulcus. It decomposes itself in the right atrium part, means disseminates. And the next are the middle cardiac vein. They are in supplying, means taking up the blood from the cardiac vein portion, middle portion of the septa and interbetween atrias and all that things. So these all were the coronary arteries and the coronary veins. The main thing over here reminding is the left coronary artery branching anterior descending artery, that is the interventricular artery, forms the anastomosis with the posterior descending artery, which is the branch of the right coronary artery. So there is somewhat minor anastomosis formation in the heart too. So hope you would like this video and please subscribe and share more. Thank you. Have a nice day.